recently, the Lane County Waste Management System discovered an imbalance between how much revenue its Short Mountain landfill makes and how much it costs to keep it running. The county is now exploring several options to right the ship, and tonight it presented those options to citizens in Creswell to hear what they have to say. Dozens crowded into the Creswell Community Center Wednesday to share their thoughts on possible changes to the county's waste management system. The system is funded solely by user fees and simply isn't generating enough income to keep operating at the current volume. Facing a $1.5 million shortfall, the county's considering cutting discount services, scaling back equipment use, charging other counties to dump, and closing 8 of its 16 transfer stations, forcing residents to take their garbage directly to the Glenwood station.
You're forcing all the people that live in the rural areas, and you're going to tell them, you got to drive and haul your own garbage. That's what you're doing.
Closures would affect residents in the Creswell, London, Mapleton, Mackenzie Bridge, Rattlesnake, Sharps Creek, Swiss Home, and Walton areas. Most in attendance say closing transfer centers to solve the problem is only inviting other problems.
People will go back to illegally dumping in the woods. I think people will go back to postponing going to the dump.
Many in the crowd echoing the same sentiment, some even becoming angry at waste management representatives, accusing them of being out of touch with the community, who they say will be the ones cleaning up the mess.
I invite you to be the boots on the ground instead of the decision maker. I challenge you to do that. I'll bet I won't see it.
Despite the animosity, the crowd proposed several ideas, such as increasing dumping fees, fees based on income, and reducing dumping days, essentially reducing staffing costs. County Commissioner Faye Stewart spoke to the crowd, explaining the need for changes and hoping to calm concerns.
I want to find ways that is going to, minimize the impact to these folks so that we can still operate our waste system and we can still ensure that, our environment and the place that we live is as healthy and clean as it possibly can be.
Well, Megan, another meeting is set for tomorrow in Harris Hall at Lane County Public Service Building. It starts at 5:30. County commissioners will then discuss all of the proposed ideas on August 2nd. Live in the studio, Oscar Maciel, KEZI 9 News.